Good morning to all the students. As you all know that due to COVID-19 disease, we are providing online classes to you. Myself Ajay Singh from SMBSS English Academy, Gursan Jhansi. Today we will discuss about the topic the United Nations from the subject Social Studies. Firstly, we will know about the United Nations. The United Nations is an international organization founded on 24th October 1945. At its founding times, it had 51 members, but currently there are 193 member states in United Nations. The structures of the United Nations. There are six main organs in the United Nations, which are given below. The first one is the General Assembly, second, the Security Council, third, the Economic and Social Council, fourth, the Trusteeship Council, fifth, the International Court of Justice, and the last is the Secretariat. The General Assembly. All members have equal representations in the General Assembly. Security Council. Security Council have primary responsibility to maintain international peace and security. The International Court of Justice is also called the World Court, and the headquarters of the ICJ is situated in The Hague, Netherlands. The Secretariat. The Secretary General, who is appointed by the General Assembly, is the head of Secretariat. There are many agencies that carry out various functions on behalf of the United Nations. Some of them are given below. FAO. The full form of FAO is Food and Agricultural Organizations. The headquarters of FAO is in Rome, Italy. ILO. The full form of ILO is International Labour Organization, and the headquarters of ILO is in Geneva, Switzerland. IMF. The full form of IMF is International Monetary Fund, and the headquarters of IMF is in Washington, USA. WHO. The full form of WHO is World Health Organization. WTO. The full form of WTO is World Trade Organization, and the headquarters of WHO and WTO is in Geneva, Switzerland. UNESCO. The full form of UNESCO is United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, and the headquarters of UNESCO is in Paris, France. UNICEF. The full form of UNICEF is United Nations Children's Fund, and the headquarters of UNICEF is in New York.